Hi, it's Oliver, and I want to show you a new method of OSC input patching, and this is going to show up as of beta version 1.7.92 or later. Okay, first of all, let's initialize this. We have one OSC module, we're sending out OSC, and this is just one button, and it sends us a path. Path is a dash hello and a value of 123. That's about it. Nothing special here. And basically we're sending from this module into our OSC Wildcard module, and that has a new method of input patching, and I'm going to show you in a bit. If you're unsure if you actually have that method, you can go into the init and go and check on line 23, and this is where the actual patching happens. And here it says add OSC Venture Wildcard. That is how you can actually differentiate the OSC module if you should ever have to. Okay, so let's initialize that. So one thing we need to do is we need to define a dispatch action, and the dispatch action gets two values. The first one is a string, and the next one is the value that the string actually transports. So next thing we need to do is we need to define another action, and that should be the name should actually it should be according to your actual path that is sending data across. So I'm just going to call that hello, because my path that I'm sending things to is hello. Could be anything else, just for me to keep it like in a certain structure. And we need to define an input string, and we're going to call that val. Could be MSG, could be XYZ, could be anything. Okay, now we have that. Now we come back to our dispatch table. Into our dispatch action. We do a right click, and we are going to launch the dispatch table builder. Okay, and we are going to see the last value that we actually have received on that action. And the last value we have received on that action is, because I did push that button here, it is hello. That's a path, and that is the value that actually has come with the or come across a path. So we are going to get us a new dispatch, and this gives us a condition, and we don't want the whole thing. We just want to have the path, and we're going to set the path inside of parentheses. Okay. And the path is now hello. Okay. The parameter that I want to set this to is called val. That's something I defined in my action right here. That's one. And my destination action is hello. Hello. Good. Now let's save that. If we go back into that dispatch table, dispatch action, sorry. Now that code has been created automatically. So launch dispatch table builder. This transports to this code that has been created automatically right here. Okay, so let's see if that works. Are we initialized? Yes, we are initialized. We did that, and now let's send some values. And now we're seeing that we're sending the hello and the 123. It ends up in our dispatch action, and because the path is hello, the value is being actually sent to our action hello. You can do that with just like add more and more actions down here, and the dispatch table will actually kind of grow, and that will actually patch the incoming path to some actions, and now you can actually like connect those values that are ending up here, and distribute them to other modules or action. We could actually grab that add an action here. Let's call it a test and give it an input value. And now once we connect that, we pass on that data that comes around here. Okay, you see how that ends up here. Lots of things you can do with that. Now you can route that to any kind of Pixera action, reroute it to Arduino, do whatever you basically want with that. If you have any questions, let me know, and yeah, we'll hopefully speak soon. Cheers, bye.